job, we're installing a retaining wall along this side of the property and along the back before we truck in and grade soil. As part of it, the stump has to be ground. It's day 3. As you can see, we have the string line where the wall's gonna be. And the wall will be graduated as we go. After the wall goes, the railroad tie wall goes along the rear of the property, we're going to truck in some fill and level out the yard. The retaining wall is built, and before we backfill, we're going to be installing the more economical choice for the retaining wall along the rear of the property. For this job, we use Teco block 6-inch architectural pavers in sandalwood. So the job is progressing. Use timber lock screws. We find that they're the best fasteners to use for this style wall. And then of course we anchor in the deadman. We're trucking in some dirt to backfill. We're going to fill this whole thing up. Backfilling the wall. All right, the fence is going up.